Hello everyone, so today I have this charming little Fiesta style villa to show you here on Campus Hall. We are on Sector B and you're a short walk from the golf course and a short walk from all the amenities on Sector B. So let me take you around this property. I'm going to bring you out the road, let you see the front of the property, and then we carry on from there, okay? So come along with me. If I just show you this end of the road, now this is the end of the road and you can see the golf course and you can see some golf and buggies driving around there as well, and that's how near you are to the golf course. And of course the other end of the road, you're a short walk up there excuse me, to the shops. Well, all the amenities really. So just to give you a little detail where you are, you're on an urbanisation called Campus Hall in the Costa.Calida near the port of Matheron, which is 20 minutes to the beaches, and your nearest airport is Covera Murcia International, which is about 28 to 30 minute drive. So just here is the Fiesta that I'm going to show you. It's a lovely little Fiesta, very charming, and if I take you just to the side here, you have off-road parking. You got enough parking for one car there easily. Nice, some plants and established flowers there as well. I'm going to take you just inside here now, and you've got a little pedestrian gate. This is a lovely little property. You could put a little table and chairs there, you know, a little bistro table and chairs. I tiled that and it'd be a nice shaded area for you as well, especially at this hot sun. So let's go inside. You've got about 4 steps up into this little Fiesta, so very easy access. Nice decorative balustrade here. So inside, this is a really charming little property. You have a ceiling light and fan, and I'm just going to pan around for you because you've got a nice little space here, you know, and those traditional wooden windows. You have aircon over the door, and I just take the room at a different angle, and there is the first bedroom over there. Now that is a guest room. You can fit 2 single beds in there or a small double sideways. So I'll just take you in here. Now this is an ideal, charming little property if you were just looking for a bolt hole here in Spain, or just something where you could put your head down if you're playing golf or something like that, because you're right on the golf course here. You know, you're a 10-minute walk, you could get your little buggy, your caddy behind you, and just walk down to the golf course and have a nice few rounds of golf. You can also get a carvery over there on a Sunday. They do entertainment, and it's a great all-round place, Campus Hall, to be fair. So we're back in here in the living room. I'm just going to come around. So you have your kitchen there, and you have a master bedroom through that archway over there. Okay, so take you in here, take you into the bathroom first. So you've got a shower room here. It has clear screen shower. You have a seat and a handrail in there. You've also got your WC and your sink and pedestal. A little mirror up there as well. Nice little shower room. So in here is your master bedroom. You have a ceiling light and fan in here. You could put some aircon in, it wouldn't cost that much. I think it's about 250 to 300 just for the unit, and then the labour on top. Not very expensive at all, you know. So you have wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, and they're nice traditional windows as well. All right. So take you around here and we have a look at the kitchen. Now you have a nice compact kitchen here. You've got plenty of top and a base unit there. You've got your integrated gas hob and electric oven. You've got your washing machine and your drainer. You've also got, just over this side, you got your fridge freezer, and you got some more storage and shelving. And this leads you out into a little courtyard. Now you have a wrecker with the insect screens on the door, so you can actually leave these doors closed if you want, and leave the doors open, and all that nice sunny warm fresh air comes in. Okay, so just out here in the courtyard you have got your gas boiler, and you've got this beautiful spiral staircase, and that leads up to your rooftop solarium. So I'm going to take you up there and we have a look, and we'll have a little chat about that. Now guys, we're up here, beautiful sunshine, lovely cool breeze. I love the rooftop solariums. You can do a lot to them. A lot of people have put pergolas on. You can put a bar up here. You put the false grass down if you want it, or you could just put nice little hot tub. Will take the weight of a hot tub. And across there, of course, you got beautiful views, focusing on them, of the golf course. I'll show you that. You can see some buggies in the distance over there. People are playing golf. And beautiful all around. And the mountains and everything. So this is a great place for your outside space. It's quite private as well. So you could have your lounges up here, some false grass, have a lazy spot, and especially in the summer, really nice area, you know. It's your own private space. And this is such a charming property in such a great location. So let me take you back downstairs. Although I'm loving this breeze, I've got to say. As I come back down the stairs, I don't know if I mentioned, you got an outside light, and you got that at the front and the back. And at the bottom here, you have got a drainage system just down there, a drain. So hi everyone, so what do you think of this property? This is a charming little Fiesta style villa. It's very close to the amenities and the golf course. Okay, so we are on sector B of Campus Hall. So if you're interested in this property, I will leave the number of the title of the video below, and don't forget, when you're contacting us, do give us the reference number and leave your contact details so the girls in the office know who to contact and which property you're looking for. Okay, so until the next time, take care. Have an amazing weekend, guys. Bye bye.